Hello and welcome to MotioNew's comprehensive guide on comparison between ViuLinx Datalink and CommuniNet series. Let's first take a look at the ViuLinx module. There are ports and LEDs available on all four sides. It has an active cooling system, with a small fan, with input and output vents on the top and the side. The input HDMI port is installed under the fan output vent. There are 5 ports on the long side, all having JST-GH interfaces, including the power connector, which is used to turn on the module using a 12-volt DC input. The OSD port, the serial UART port, which is TTL, and is used for data communication between the ground and air module. The remote control or RC port, which can transfer S-bus or PPM signals for manual control of the aircraft. And then we have a micro USB port, which is used to configure the module by connecting it to a PC and using its custom software. On the other side, we have 2 RF connectors to connect the module's antennas. Please make sure that the antennas are connected before turning on the module, otherwise it will get damaged. And then 2 status LEDs to show the connection status between the ground and air modules, and a bind button to establish the connection. Now let's take a look at the CommuniNet MND-142. Same as ViuLinx, it has a fan for active cooling of the device. In contrast to ViuLinx, it doesn't have any ports on the sides, which makes the installation and usage easier. There are 2 RF ports on the top that use SMA female connector, which is more robust compared to MMX connectors on the ViuLinx. The data interface connector, positioned on the bottom side, uses a J30J25 pin port, and all the interfaces, including the power, Ethernet, and serial TTL, will be accessed through this port. The heatsink acts as a passive cooling system to help cool down the module when used in harsh environments and under the sunlight. The status LEDs are positioned on the top side of the module. The first few ones are the power indicator, sync, which is the connection status indicator, and then LAN network port light that blinks during the data transmission. There are 3 LEDs for RSSI status to show the received signal energy. There are 4 installation holes on the sides of the module, which will be useful for easily fixing the module on any surface. The ViuLinx module does not have such holes, and you need to use a zip tie or a double-sided tape for installation. You can see the size difference between the modules when they are positioned side by side.